Hey babes, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to give myself another look today. Don't know what I'm really going for. Y'all know I just kind of go with the flow. But yeah, so we're gonna do makeup today. Let's see what we come up with. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more from me. And if you don't, then don't. But you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey! Okay, so y'all know I'm really struggling to see right now because I ain't got no glasses on. But you can't do makeup with glasses on, okay? So I'm not gonna do too much talking. Let's just get into this video. But wait, first y'all, before I decided I was about to do this video, I tried to like shape up my eyebrows because I need them done. I still haven't went to go get them done. So I took a little razor trying to clean them up. And look at this. Look what I did to my dang old eyebrow. Oh my gosh. Tragedy. Anyway, let's start the video. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with my Wet n Wild face primer. I honestly am tired of this face primer, so if you know of any good ones, please comment them down below. But anyway, I'm going to just put this all over my face. Then I'm going to spray my face with some rose water. Okay, now let's get to these eyebrows. I always start by putting brow gel on my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrow, girl. Leave the shit to the pro. I'm really screwed up. Okay, so this time I wanted to try a different method with doing my eyebrows. So I decided to do it with gel eyeliner this time. I've never done this before, guys, so that's why I'm like, what the heck am I doing? And I've never had like black eyebrows, so I was just like, oh my gosh, this is too much. But yeah, I did it with black eyeliner gel. Get yourself some Q-tips, y'all. Lifesavers. Fix it on up real quick. Then I take my little spoolie. Is it spoolie or spoofy? I'm unsure, but I take that and flip it on out, y'all. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of Toffee. Line up them brows. And I'm also gonna apply this all over my lid. And blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. And blend some up. To speed it up, I just go slow. Highlight. Ain't never seen a booty like this. Okay. Then I went in with this Perfect Nudes palette. It really don't say what color it is, but it's just like a dark chocolate brown. So I applied this all over my lids. You know, this is my base color, y'all. This is what we're gonna start with. The base. Alright. So apply this to the lids. Then we have my favorite palette, yes, the Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going in with the color Molly. That's that green color. Y'all can't really see because the light was shining it out. But anyway, it's called Molly. And I'm going to apply this to like my outer brow. I put the color Chi in the inner corner of my lids. I lined my upper lid with my Maybelline Master Precise Ink liquid eyeliner. And look at me trying to do this wing over again, y'all. Y'all know I gotta master it. I'm gonna get it. So we're gonna see how it looks by the end of this video. I lined my bottom waterline with the same gel eyeliner that I did my eyebrows with. It really don't have a name. I just know it's black gel eyeliner. So that's what I did for the bottom, y'all. I put this shade Casablanca right under my eyebrow at the end of my eyebrow. I don't really know what that's called. It might just be called eyebrow. I'm not sure, but y'all see where I'm putting it. I'm putting it right there at the end of my eyebrow, you know, to give it some little gold color, little shimmer, baby. I'm gonna hit my eyelashes with my favorite mascara. What? Oh man, let me do it over. Okay, that last part was a little blooper, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's mascara, my favorite one by Rimmel London. Okay, extreme black. It has your eyelashes popping. Okay. Well, look what we have here, y'all. I finally got my hands on that Fenty Beauty Turn Up. I'm so excited. I love it. But anyway, time for this foundation in the shade 400. Apply that all over the face, y'all. Make yourself look flawless now. I went in again with my LA Pro concealer, but this time in the shade of Fawn. I don't know if this is really doing anything, but I see it on makeup tutorials. So I'm gonna just put this up under my eye and stuff, and we gonna see what goes on. And y'all know my favorite color is glitter, so it would not be a tutorial if I didn't add a little glitter, baby. Did y'all know that they trying to ban glitter? What are they doing? They cannot ban glitter. Glitter is everything, okay? It's my favorite shade. Anyway, so I got this glitter from the beauty supply. It's called Bling, and it's like a green and purple mix. It kind of went with my eyeshadow, so I was like, oh, this is perfect. And I just put it right in my cut crease. Just one little line right in that cut crease, and it came out nice. It was real good. I lined the bottom of my eyes with the shade Makita from that Masquerade palette. It's like a purple. I forgot to show y'all, but it's like a purple color. It's really slamming. I put a little dab of the shade Caliber on my inner eye. I think it's called the tear duct, y'all. Put it right there on the tear duct. Dab it out. Freak it out, freak it out. Hey, celebrate, celebrate. Hey. Put a little bronzer on my cheekbones. Added a little highlighter to my forehead, my chin, and I put a little dab of that Casablanca on the tip of my nose. Now let's get to my favorite part, these lips. I went in with my Black China matte brown lipstick in the shade of Brown Sugar. Y'all, this lipstick's so bomb. You know me, line it up. Line it the fuck up. Then I hit my face with my NYX or NYX, however you pronounce it, matte finishing spray. Spray that all over the place. Let that dry on up. Get all matte on you. Look all sexy or whatnot. Okay. And to finish my lip, I threw some MAC's lip gloss from your local beauty supply on top of that matte brown lipstick to make it shine a little bit, make it all glossy. It's popping, y'all. Okay, at this point, I'm just playing around, y'all. I'm doing too much. I'm feeling myself. So just enjoy this little movie I just put on for y'all. Just enjoy it, because I'm enjoying it. You enjoying it? I don't know. I just could not stop looking at myself. Okay, I'm done. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Okay, if you did, please leave comments down below. Also, comment down below some good face primers. Make sure you thumb this video up. Yes, bitch, slay. Slay. Okay, y'all, till next time. Bye.
She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline, you divine, mighty fine, shorty really know the price, like a pro,
Fuck you thought.
holy shit, I'm really lit.